I went to make a simple chocolate cake and accidentally filmed my first frosting from scratch adventure. Spoiler alert, we ended with 2 cakes and a very happy taste tester. I found this cake mix at a store that wasn't exactly from scratch, but the ingredients looked great, so onto the cart it went. The box said all I needed was 1 cup of milk, 1/3 cup of butter, and 3 eggs. Easy win. Then I opened it at home and plot twist. No frosting. Guess who's making frosting for the first time ever? The plan was a classic 2-layer. The instructions called for 2 8-inch pans. I had a 7-inch and a 9-inch, so I lined both, buttered the sides, and preheated the oven to 350 degrees. Eggs, milk, butter into the bowl, whisked up until glossy. I eased in the cake mix, and the batter turned silky, maybe a touch runny, but it baked up beautifully. Curveball number 2. The entire batter fit perfectly into the bigger pan. No second layer needed. I'd already buttered the extra pan, so I told myself it could moonlight as a frosting station. We improvised in his kitchen, duh. I baked by the box, checked with a toothpick, and gave it an extra 10 minutes just to be safe, about 35 minutes of baking total. Now frosting from scratch. Me. I melted the butter, whisked in cocoa and powdered sugar, added a whisper of espresso powder and a pinch of salt, and sifted like a champ. After I stopped overloading the sifter, the result was thick, rich, and unapologetically chocolatey. Here are the ingredients that I use for chocolate frosting: 1/3 cup of unsalted butter, melted, 2.5 cups of powdered sugar, sifted, 2/3 a cup of cacao powder, or a bit less, maybe like 50 grams, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, half a teaspoon of espresso powder, pinch of salt, and up to 2/3 of a cup of milk or half and half, added gradually. Once the cake cooled, set it on a wooden board and slowly sliced it so it wouldn't crumble. Soft, moist, perfect. Spreading that frosting was ridiculously satisfying, and the whole kitchen smelled like a chocolate daydream. Boyfriend took a bite, gave me the nod. Officially delicious. Pro tip: butter-based frosting firms up in the fridge. If you chill the cake, let it sit a bit before serving so the frosting relaxes back to creamy. Guess what? We ate the entire cake at the same day. Thanks for family for helping us out. And because I was on the roll, I grabbed another box, Bakeaway's Lemon Poppy Seed, and tried a second from scratch-ish cake. I accidentally baked it in a single 10-inch pan. Hello, pancake cake. Next time, I'll use a 7-inch and a 4-inch pans for a cute 2-layer. No mistakes. Like the chocolate cake, it needed about 10 extra minutes after failing the toothpick test. Then I cooled it 10 minutes in a pan, turned it out to chill, then sliced it in half to stack into the half-moon lemon cake. Oh, it was adorable and tall. For the lemon cake, I whipped up vanilla lemon cream cheese frosting with a hand blender, and it absolutely held its own against the chocolate. Here are the ingredients that I use for vanilla lemon cream cheese frosting: 2 sticks of unsalted butter, room temp, 2 cups of powdered sugar, 1.5 cup of cream cheese, room temp, 1.5 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice. Cream until fluffy and smooth. That's it. 2 cakes, 2 homemade frostings, 0 regrets. It might not look exactly like the box, but it tastes like heart, and that's the point. If you made it this far, tap that thumbs up button and check out my channel for more cozy bakes and easy recipes. New videos are coming now that I've unlocked the frosting side quest.